Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SSI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, quite the rough day today. I mean, when the price opened up on the day, just essentially straight down. However, this is what brings up a little bit of hope, is that the price at least leveled out and then started to work its way upwards. Although looking at today individually, this is what we would call a bear flag pattern. Now, just because it's a bearish pattern does not mean that with 100% certainty, for sure, the price is breaking back to the downside. But I wouldn't be shocked. Nobody that uses technical charts would be shocked if the price does ultimately, pull back and, head down below $5, which is why I want to focus more so on areas of support. And really the main level, and I can't tell if the price bounced above or off this level here or not, but let's see. Nope, not quite. But 485, definitely going to be that next key overarching area of support. Going back through the history of things, you can see this was right there a former area of resistance. And this is just based on a foundational rule in charting. When levels of resistance are broken, which it was broken right there, which actually spurred on a big movement right there, you want to see them act as support. And we have a classic example of that as the price came back down there and right there acted as support. And then you fast forward to today, and definitely the price isn't quite there, but within striking distance. So going back to the bear flag thing, in the event the price did break to the downside, and this is a very bootleg pattern there, but so there's the bear flag. So if the pattern, or if the price does break to the downside, it would not be shocking at all to see the price potentially head down to that area right down there around 485, if not even lower than that. But no such thing as a guarantee, like I said. So just because it was bearish doesn't mean it's rolling back over. But if it does, then yeah, I'd look for the price at minimum to go to 485. In the event things just continue on with the downwards momentum, next key level of support after the 485 mark, down there around 455. As far as levels of resistance, just keep an eye on that purple line going forward, the 50 period simple moving average. Right now valued at 625, but that line is going to move its way down further and further and get more and more relevant. So keep a close eye on that. But yeah, right now, look, things are looking pretty shaky, especially with the bearish pattern, but we'll see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.